Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. I am always on the lookout for technology and innovation. Today we will see what are the amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon. So if the video is good, then like and share it. Then let's go to the video.
Vegetables can be boring. Here at Home Arden, we designed our stainless steel spiral slicer to give you more healthy eating options. Our product is sturdy and compact. It takes up less counter space while also being resistant to damage from daily use. Our slicer is easy to assemble out of the box, so you can start trying out new recipes fast. It's also easy to take apart for cleanup once you're done making your delicious meals. And since it's dishwasher safe, you can get out of the kitchen quicker. Homemade food is just better. We make it easier for you to prepare your homemade and healthy meals with our stainless steel spiral slicer.
Meet the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle. This little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Egg cookers. Hi, I'm Clay with Dash. Cooking eggs with our egg cookers is super easy, but I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to make perfect eggs every time. All right, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do three things by releasing that air. One, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. Two, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And three, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics which are confusing. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook your eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel. That's a perfect egg. And that's it.
This is the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper. It comes with 8 diverse blades crafted out of premium stainless steel. It chops, dices, slices, and grates large food quantities in mere seconds. It makes food prep so much faster and easier, and cleanup is a breeze. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials. They've got 24/7 live customer support. Go check them out.